What's going on, everyone? Today's the 21st of June 2023. We are going to talk about stacks today because this currency currently is breaking out. I'm going to show you where this currency is actually breaking out, and if so, we're going to weigh in to see if price in stacks is going to continue to go higher. So welcome everyone to the channel. Let's go ahead and get this video started real quick. You guys can see, first thing I'm going to do is show you this particular cryptocurrency breaking out. Okay, it's the first thing I'm going to do, and you guys can actually tell that the market here in stacks is breaking out of this trading channel, right? Price in stacks was going lower within this trading range. Take a look. It's been following the market here down until eventually it is finally breaking out. That's a massive clue to tell you that the sentiment of the market in stacks is changing. That's a massive clue for us to have a determined understanding that price may actually begin to go higher now. And then outside of stacks breaking outside of that trading channel, you guys can see on my chart that we received a strength indicator, a push to go up bar, letting us know that the market here in stacks is definitely trying to go higher. Now, of course, as price is reflecting strength, there's some areas that we need to keep our eyes open into the market in stacks that could possibly impact how high price can go. Take a look. We've been here before around this 80-cent level in stacks. Back here towards the ending of April, beginning of May, the market in stacks could not break above 80 cents. 80 cents. Look at that. So as we are knocking on the door here in stacks now, we're seeing price come down. Okay. This tells you that this area that was acting as selling back here in the ending of April, May, it is still doing the job today. People are still here selling around 80 cents. Now, we need to see buyers take this area out before we expect price to continue to go higher. Here's stacks on the 2-day chart. Okay. Now from this perspective, we're still getting an indicator of strength into the market in stacks. Okay. Even though we can tell that price currently is closing well off of the highs, that means that selling is coming in. So as we are going through the process of selling right now to the market in stacks, we would rather see price on this move to the downside not to fall no lower than this area here, which is around like 67 cents. We do not want to see the market in stacks fall below that, and definitely no lower than 60. So my ultimate area will have to be like 60 cents that buyers needs to hold the price. Okay. Here's stacks on the 3-day. Again, we're getting strength on multiple time frames. The further out in time you go with these strength indicators, the better. And we got another indication that market wants to go higher in stacks. So the only thing currently is impending is the selling right there around 80 cents. That is the only thing that is currently impacting the movement higher for this currency. Here it is on the 5-day chart. Here's stacks on the weekly. Okay. Here's stacks on the 2 weeks, 3. So let me show you all the hourly chart first. So you guys can see like all of this volume that is coming into the market in stacks is because of this 80-cent level or 78 cents. This increase in volume on this 11-hour price bar. So yeah, I do think initially in a couple of hours, market in stacks is going to go lower, which is why we don't want to see the market ultimately fall below 60 cents, even though we did say 66 is another area that we would like to see market hold at, the buyers. So let's look at this on the 330-minute chart. Okay. It doesn't look too bad. So you can see it here on the 330-minute chart. That we don't want to see the market in stacks fall below this trend line. Okay. So we have what? 66, 65 cents as areas of support. But since this is my first price prediction in stacks, we're going to go ahead and place some strength into the market. Look for the price to go higher. So let's go ahead and put that on the chart. Like I said, we don't want to see the market in stacks fall no lower than 60 cents. Okay. Now, we already know that 78 cents, 80 cents is resistance. So this price prediction will not pan out if the market in stacks cannot break above that. So we need to allow that to happen first. First target is going to be there around 85.5 cents. That is 15.36% move higher. And then my second target ultimately is going to be around 90, which is around 21.3% move to the upside. Now, it's not a lot, but I'm looking at these areas here to the left of the chart that could possibly be impactful as the buyers try to lift this market higher. So that's why I'm only dropping 2 targets for stacks. Okay, I'm done. It's your turn. You're up at bat. Go ahead and give me your price prediction to the market in stacks and let me know what you guys think. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.